Feedback in leadership. Let's talk about feedback. It's the art of giving, but also receiving feedback. I just recorded an epic episode where I invited Damien Croft, he's the general manager at Norcomp, and also Shane Zutz, he's the vice president of human resources at DigiKey. We touched on a few key points. We talked about how you have to bring value when you provide feedback and tie it back to the company strategy. And be sure to bring positive feedback in the moment. And it's so important that you do this. Do it weekly, right? Don't wait for that annual to say, oh, you did really great 8 months ago. Do it weekly. Make sure to do it. Even if it's not in your team, you will see that person shine so much more. And we talked about the start, stop, continue method. So listen to the episode. You will learn a lot more. In the meantime, be sure to check out leadershipmanufacturing.com. Sign up for the newsletter so you will be in the loop when we actually have this episode coming out. And remember, stay curious, keep learning. See you next time.